how to fix Uber security block or security lock. So what you need to do is to open up the browser on your phone and search for Uber support. Now open up the first website, Uber Help, and depending on which account of yours got locked, you can choose riders, driving, Uber Eats, Uber for business, freight, merchants, restaurants, bikes, and scooters. So here we're just going to do riders. And what we need to do is then select account. So once you click on account, then you will select I need to contact support. And here you will need to sign into the account which you're experiencing issues with. Now, once you sign into that account, then you will explain to support that your account is locked for security measures and that you can provide any information that is required of you in order to unlock your account, and they should be able to assist you with the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.